Freedom, are you ready now? It's a little right you have for your own. Freedom, go where you want to, be who you want to be. It's all you have to know. As you walk the streets of a city far away, you must realize that you're there to make a change. Freedom's calling you, a heart is racing to stand up together, be united, and make it a part of you. Freedom, go where you want to, be who you want to be, man of your own. Freedom, be who you want to be, live how you want to, that's all you have to know. Freedom is calling you, heart is racing to stand up together, be united, and make it a part of you. Freedom, freedom, freedom's calling you.
So we'll be starting the live auction in just a few minutes, but I want to make a couple of introductions. The first, as I mentioned before, thank you, TANC, which is the Tibetan Association of Northern California, for keeping us fed tonight. Yeah. I also want to thank Root Division. I'm guessing that many of you are here for the first time. In my humble opinion, as a board member and longtime fan of this organization, it is one of the finest nonprofit arts organizations in San Francisco.
Hello, everybody. You look like a lovely group of friends. You are a group of friends. And it's wonderful to have you here tonight. And I'm so glad the weather gods permitted us to do this without a zillion umbrellas and such. But, you know, we really have had a wonderful journey along the way. And I think what attracted the remarkable artist to the Missing Piece project was what was behind the scenes. And behind the scenes was the inspiration of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, a peacemaker with whom we get to walk together in peace. He won the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1989, and it was our idea to help present the full content of his thinking behind how peace is achieved. And it's really achieved one by one inside each of us. And so the artists just riffed off of that and came together, as you can see, with many disparate kinds of works of art, but as a single voice. It was most powerful to see in all the museums that we went to. We talked about, you know, the man himself, and then we went into much more universal themes that His Holiness talks about: empathy and compassion, and humanity and transition, commercialization of resources, and impermanence. And so some of that you see here today, and other things that you see here today are from very close friends of the Missing Piece who were with us from the start. And so there's a lovely combination of spirit here, and also people who have been with us from the very beginning, which was almost 7 or 8 years ago now.
Just yesterday, my son picked up the Thangka, a Tibetan scroll painting of the Buddha of Compassion, which His Holiness had loaned through the exhibition, and Merirumchi and Rinpoche Khamla were going to take it back to India. But Rinpoche was going to do a little surprise for you this evening, and he said actually His Holiness wanted to present this Thangka to Darlene. And so Fred's here with it. It's packed, ready to be shipped. Rinpoche wanted me to give her a stop on behalf of everyone, including His Holiness. He said one for Darlene, we don't leave good men behind.
Semba kayanga, Punga semba.